guys, welcome back to my channel, the Emergence Travel Journey, and for today's video, I'm going to show you our boat trip from El Nido to Coron. So the company we are with is Keelooma Expedition.
I'm taking a video.
Our contact in this expedition told us that the capacity of this boat is about 12 guests. But we were just 8 at this time because there's no more other people who contacted them, so we needed to go even if it's only 8 customers or tourists. And also it has 7 or 8 crews inside the boat. See here, her friend has started to scream like something. She said it's like scary. Look at her. She was so funny. It was so challenging for her because it's her first time to do this like this expedition, and for me as well too. But I was enjoying because I am on the top there. I told her to go there on the top, but she couldn't go there because the waves is like so strong, and then she doesn't want to move. And here, after all the screams, she feels like tired and then just fall asleep like that. So after our challenging trip, we finally arrived here in our first stop. So we can enjoy here, have some picture taking, and enjoy the beach.
Pala. Oh, wow! Look at that. Look at the water. Wow.
Let me be
it's
your mind. We will find the beats for this dream.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Tower. It's private. Private siya. Private yan. Sa taas. Public. So everybody can go there. Yeah. Her ring. Oh. Was it?
So this is the first island we stopped here, guys, and this island, this beach here is very good for snorkeling. The coral reefs are very beautiful, and also you can do relax here, take some pictures, the swimming, and also it has a place to play volleyball or basketball. And here we went back to the boat to take our lunch, and the cook was explaining what was the food that we are going to eat. Everything he cooks was so yummy and everybody loves it.
Know that I'm right here.
We had just so much fun in there, and after eating we just relaxed a little bit and take some videos and pictures also.
This way.
This is really so nice here. I don't know if this is the best spot. I'm not that sure.
And we are in another island right now. We are approaching to the next stop, the next beautiful beach again, and we gonna have some fun.
Comes close. busy growing up, know that I'm right here. But everything is messed up, and it feels like no one cares. When you're busy growing up, know that I'm right.
So here the crews are preparing for our next stop, and as usual we're gonna use the kayak to go to the beach there over there because it's a bit far. Every island we stopped was so beautiful. So we have arrived here in the second island, and this is so beautiful also, as you can see here. I was so amazed with the beauty. Wow, it was just so windy, so unfortunately we couldn't swim here because the wind was so strong and also the waves was so strong, so we just stopped for a quick time here and we needed to leave immediately, but still was so beautiful.
Wow, and it has there over there. So we are in the island where we're gonna stay for the first night here. Native, small place to sleep. And again, we are in Keelooma boat tour. So this is the bed. Romantic, huh? Put our things there. This is where we're gonna sleep. Yeah. And nothing there. Oh wow.
So here, this is our rest time. We were just enjoying the sunset here.
Oo, mapuna akong question. Yung mga ano na yan, mga resort yan.
Hindi po ma'am. Bahay po.
Mga bahay. Okay. Kasi yung mga ilaw din eh.
So guys, this is the end of my first part of my video, Keelooma Expedition Tour from Nido to Coron. So, see you in my next video. And by the way, for those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and click the notification below so that you will be updated with my next video. Bye!